I'll guide you through how to create a LinkedIn account. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're on the home page, click the Join Now button located at the top right corner of the screen. Begin the sign-up process by entering your email address and creating a strong password. Make sure to check the LinkedIn Terms Agreement box, then click Agree and Join. After that, enter your first name and last name, and once you're done, click Continue button. In the next step, you'll need to fill in your location details, including your country and city or region. Then, you'll be asked about your professional background in the next section. Enter your most recent job title, employment type, and the name of your current or your most recent company. If you're a student, simply click I'm a student, and LinkedIn will redirect you to fill in your university name, field of study, and degree level instead. Once you've completed all the required information, you'll be directed to the LinkedIn homepage. And that's it.